If you're getting the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 crash error 0x00001338, where the game suddenly stops working and the crash handler shows KERNELBASE.dll or COD26-COD.exe, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few methods you can try to fix this crashing problem on PC. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started.
First, let's check whether TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled on your PC. Press Windows + R on your keyboard. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. A window will open showing your TPM information. Make sure your PC has TPM 2.0 available. Now let's check Secure Boot. Press Windows + R again. Type ms info32 and press Enter. Look for Secure Boot state. Make sure it says on. Also check BIOS mode and make sure it says UEFI. If TPM 2.0 is available but Secure Boot is disabled, you'll need to enable Secure Boot from your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings using the key shown when your computer starts. The exact menu will be different depending on your motherboard or PC manufacturer. Look for options related to TPM, Secure Boot, or UEFI and enable the required settings. Save your changes and restart your computer. Now check the Modern Warfare 4 security requirement again. If you're still getting the BIOS firmware update required message, the next thing you should do is use the official Activision Secure Attestation Wizard. Open the official Activision support page. Find the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Right-click the COD Secure Attestation Wizard EXE and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Follow the instructions inside the wizard and run the system scan. If the wizard specifically tells you that a BIOS firmware update is required, you'll need to check for a BIOS update for your exact motherboard or PC model. Go back to the Activision support page and find the section containing links for different motherboard and PC manufacturers. Select your manufacturer. For example, if you're using an ASUS motherboard, open the ASUS support page. Search for the exact model of your motherboard, desktop, or laptop. This is very important. Do not install a BIOS designed for a different model. Once you're on the support page for your exact device, open the drivers and tools or similar section. Find BIOS or firmware. Check for the latest BIOS version and read the manufacturer's release notes and installation instructions. If an update is available, download the correct BIOS file. Depending on your system, you may need to copy the BIOS file to a USB flash drive and install it through the BIOS or UEFI menu. Follow the instructions provided by your manufacturer because the BIOS update process is different for every device. Once the BIOS update is complete, restart your PC. After Windows starts again, run the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard once more. Check whether your system now passes the security check. If everything passes, launch Modern Warfare 4 and check if the error has been resolved. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the
Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Error 0x00001338.